Delta Force operations leverage a hardware ecosystem designed to overwhelm an adversary's defenses before a single shot is fired. Based on publicly available intelligence, we can categorize the known armory of the Combat Applications Group, spanning 10 distinct categories, from primary assault platforms to specialized explosive and breaching equipment. Analyzing this specific spectrum of hardware reveals the exact baseline requirements for surviving and dominating modern special operations environments. The primary kinetic layer begins with assault rifles and carbines. The Sig Sauer MCX Spear LT handles like a lightweight system, but is built around modern modular engineering, allowing operators to instantly swap configurations to match immediate operational needs. For decades, the backbone of this layer has been the Heckler & Koch HK416D. Its gas piston system runs clean and cool, providing exceptional reliability in austere environments, driving direct action missions from Mosul to the Abbottabad compound. When targets deploy modern body armor, operators transition to the Sig Sauer M7. This next-generation platform fires a high-pressure 6.8mm round, punching through plates to deliver serious range and stopping power with remarkably manageable recoil. For absolute stealth, the unit opts for the Sig Sauer MCX LVAW, known as the Black Mamba. Utilizing heavy suppression, it provides whisper-quiet lethality at close range, a proven asset in covert operations from Somalia to Syria. The full-size Sig Sauer MCX Spear takes high-pressure handling further. It is engineered specifically for long-range precision and rock-solid reliability across all engagement distances. Deployed when missing a shot is an unacceptable outcome. Elite shooters also source highly customized boutique quality. The Noveske Gen 3 delivers obsessive craftsmanship, resulting in match-grade accuracy, while the Gen 4 iterates on that foundation with improved controls and a highly refined rail system. Anchoring this tier is the classic workhorse, the Colt M4A1 SOPM Mode Block 2. By integrating a free float rail, it boosts both accuracy and accessory space, maintaining the complete trust of Special Operations Forces through countless engagements. The fusion of these modular rail systems and gas piston reliability allows an operator to adapt their primary weapon on the fly, guaranteeing kinetic dominance in any shifting global conflict zone. Operators scale their kinetic footprint to eliminate targets far beyond visual detection limits, using specialized precision platforms. The Barrett Mark 22 Advanced Sniper Rifle acts as a multi-tool, allowing snipers to rapidly swap barrels and calibers in minutes to adapt to different mission profiles. For over 30 years, marksmen have trusted the Knight's Armament SR-25, alongside its refined iteration, the M110A2 semi-automatic sniper system. Both platforms provide the operational advantage of semi-automatic follow-up speed, combined with the precision of a traditional bolt-action rifle. When engagements require heavier punch to penetrate cover without sacrificing maneuverability, the HK417 and the dedicated G28 marksman rifle offer the familiar handling layout of an assault carbine chambered in a heavier 7.62 round. To disable vehicles or obliterate hard fortified cover, snipers deployed the lighter but equally devastating .5 caliber Bearing M107A1, a powerhouse commanding immediate respect on the battlefield. For extreme distances, the .300 Winchester Magnum Mk13 Mod 7 provides serious reach. But when a target sits beyond 3 kilometers, operators rely on the world record-holding Macmillan TAC-50 for absolute bolt-action accuracy. By extending the engagement envelope, these precision systems force an adversary to defend against threats they cannot visually detect, allowing the unit to dictate the terms of engagement. In highly confined spaces, dimensions dictate survival. The Sig Sauer MCX Rattler solves this by delivering full carbine-level ballistics packed inside a submachine gun footprint, perfectly sized for a backpack. For strict close quarters and VIP protection details, operators use the Swiss-engineered BNT APC-9K for smooth, confined space operation, or the tiny Heckler & Koch MP7A1, specifically designed to pierce body armor while remaining highly controllable during rapid bursts. Conversely, broad macro environments require massive sustained fire. The surprisingly portable Knight's Armament LAMG and the hard-hitting FN Mk48 Mod 2 eliminate the need for a dedicated gun team, providing a single operator with squad-level suppression capabilities. The M240L pushes this evolution further by using titanium parts to cut weight without sacrificing medium gun durability. Yet for absolute anti-fortification, the unit still employs the Browning M2HB, delivering a century-old legacy of .50 caliber devastation against hard targets. For total defense, the M134D minigun mounts to vehicles and aircraft. An electric motor spins the barrels to fire thousands of rounds per minute, creating a terrifying, impenetrable wall of lead. This dichotomy between backpack-sized personal defense weapons and heavy belt-fed machine guns highlights a dual necessity in Tier 1 operations: extreme maneuverability on one end and overwhelming suppression on the other. To bypass heavy resistance, operators utilize explosive area denial. The versatile M320 40mm launcher accepts multiple ammo types, while the 6-round cylinder of the M32 MGL allows a single operator to saturate an area and break ambushes in seconds. Against fortified bunkers and armor, Swedish engineering provides the M3 MAWS recoilless rifle. When weight is a heavy constraint, operators carry multiple lightweight, disposable M72A7 Law rockets to solve armor problems quickly. For modern battle tanks, the FGM-148 Javelin utilizes a sophisticated seeker. This fire-and-forget missile strikes vehicles entirely through their thinner top armor, proving its lethality from Afghan mountains to Syrian deserts. Before firing a single rocket, teams deploy autonomous intelligence. The palm-sized Black Hornet nano drone scouts hostile areas completely undetected, providing life-saving real-time video around corners during urban reconnaissance. Inside structures, the rugged Throwbot 2 survives violent throws to scout ahead during building clearances. Outside, the long-endurance Anduril Ghost X monitors expansive operational areas with high-depth airborne imaging. The deployment of agile first-person view drones enables operators to guide explosive payloads into specific windows or trench lines, removing the traditional protection of hard cover. Combining autonomous robotics with shoulder-fired anti-armor systems democratizes heavy firepower. It removes the reliance on conventional armor support, allowing small infiltration teams to operate deep behind enemy lines. Getting inside those structures requires dedicated breaching tools. The Benelli M4 offers rapid, semi-automatic speed driven by a highly reliable gas system, while the Remington 870 MCS provides modular, pump-action adaptability that switches easily between full-size and compact setups. For highly specialized dynamic entries, the Serbu Super Shorty is built exclusively to blow doors open while remaining compact enough to holster cleanly without obstructing movement. Once the door falls, operators control interior spaces using sensory disruption. The Nico 9-bang utilizes multiple detonations to disorient hostiles, while the CTS Model 7290 delivers a massive single burst to instantly overwhelm human senses. When mechanical breaching is too slow, teams apply the slap charge, a pre-configured explosive using magnetic placement for rapid, consistent effectiveness that keeps the momentum moving forward. If a primary weapon fails in these spaces, operators transition instantly to their handguns. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is the standard for austere reliability. For competition-grade speed, operators run the Staccato P or the Staccato XC, which uses a built-in compensator to completely kill muzzle flip during rapid fire. The Sig Sauer P320 family, including the M17, M18, and X5 Legion, provides a modular chassis system that allows operators to swap parts for different missions while utilizing weighted grips to soak up heavy recoil. For undercover intelligence gathering in civilian clothes, the slim profile of the Glock 43X and Glock 48 offers critical low-visibility concealment without sacrificing accuracy. These secondary platforms provide the mechanical redundancy required for Tier 1 raids, serving as the immediate response when primary systems malfunction or spatial dimensions collapse. At absolute zero distance, the arsenal strips down to edged weapons. The hand-forged American steel of the Winkler Knives belt knife handles extreme professional abuse, while the perfectly balanced Winkler R&D Tomahawk serves dual roles in breaching and close-quarters combat. For specialized utility, the double-edged Spartan Blade CQC dagger combines precise modern materials with brutal combat effectiveness. When a single hand is occupied, the Benchmade Infidel provides lightning-fast utility, instantly deploying a sharp, reliable blade via an out-the-front automatic mechanism. This immediate blade deployment operates as the ultimate close-quarters failsafe, providing a final layer of defense when all other mechanical systems are exhausted. From 3-kilometer sniper ballistics down to a single piece of hand-forged steel, this armory leaves nothing to chance. It ensures that Delta Force operators remain completely, undeniably lethal across every conceivable inch of the modern battlefield.